We're going downtown.
Bumblebee Tuna! Ace Ventura, pet detective. How are you this afternoon? Alrighty then. It's alive! It's alive! Yes! Yes! Oh, yeah! Can you feel that, buddy? Huh? Huh? Huh?
I have exorcised the demons. This house is clear.
Only this. Lovely party. Pity I wasn't invited.
I'm ready to go in, Coach. Just give me a chance. I know there's a lot riding on it, but it's all psychological. Just got to stay in a positive frame of mind. I'm going to execute a button hook pattern super slow-mo. Let's see that in an instant replay.
He's lying. Shut up!
Let's just see who's lying, shall we? Would a real woman have to wear one of these? Boy, that's really on there. But tell me this, would a real woman be missing these? That kind of surgery can be done over the weekend. But I doubt very much if he could find the time during his busy schedule to get rid of big old Mr. Kanish! That's incredible! It's gonna be some kind of a record!
Mr. Ventura. Mr. Ventura.
There's someone on the way. Something. I'm sorry, what were you saying?
Le who, the her.
Don't start what you can't finish!
Quit hitting yourself! Quit hitting yourself! Quit hitting yourself!
Oh, water tastes good, yes.
This isn't over yet. Oh, you, pretty chitty bang bang, chitty chitty bang bang, we love you. And our pretty chitty bang bang, chitty chitty bang bang loves us too. Hi, everybody go on chitty chitty weedy pan. Bang bang, chitty chitty bang bang, our pan for standard pan. Bang bang, chitty chitty bang bang, our fine for standard. Chitty bang bang, chitty chitty bang bang, chitty bang bang, yeah! Chitty!
Do I have something in my teeth?
Another activist, McGuire.
Activist. Yes.
Activist, yes.
Mr. Ventura, there's nothing wrong with enjoying the fruits of nature. You should try it sometime.
Alrighty then.
Aborigines. The natives call him Call him Gaji, the hunter. Both are known poachers and have been seen in the area. Mr. Ventura!
This wedding ceremony is going to take place in 4 days. I cannot have bloodshed in my province. We're counting on you. Honk, 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 honk. Hey-ho, Silver, away!
Is getting rather raw.
We love you, Dark Continent! Good night!
Listen. The majestic song of the male silverback gorilla.
Ike Gabia.
The chief says he knew you would come.
Libby, Libby, wah! Chim chimney, chim chim chiroo! Hi!
Keono Obodo. Inasu.
The chief says he has not understood the dialect you're using. Oh, my goodness. The chief really seems to like you. I mean, that is a great sign of affection in the Wachati tribe.
Really?
Oh, this is the chief's son, Auda. The missionaries came through and taught him a spot of English.
I like you.
Come on. Aren't I the popular one?
I think I lost him.
Hey!
I thought you loved all animals, Mr. Ventura.
Worry not, my brother. I will be as a fly on the wall, a grain of salt in the ocean. I will slip amongst them like a transparent thing.
Come on, girls, show 'em what you got! Oh, big